Hi guys, today we make fake nails out of paper. It looks really beautiful. Let's get started. Things you need: double tape, scissors, pencil, and paper. First of all, make nail template. Take a size of your nail. Draw a nail shape on paper. Now nail template is ready for one nail. Similarly, make other fake nails. As you guys see the progress of making fake nails, it's very easy. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.